Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and controversial: genetically modified crops. So what exactly are genetically modified crops? GM crops are plants that have had their DNA altered using genetic engineering techniques. This allows scientists to introduce new traits that are not naturally found in the species. The process of creating a genetically modified crop starts in the lab. Scientists identify a desired trait, such as pest resistance or drought tolerance, and then transfer the specific gene responsible for that trait into the plant's genome. This technology allows for precise modifications, unlike traditional breeding methods, which can be more hit or miss. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the main advantages of GM crops is increased yield. By making plants resistant to pests and diseases, farmers can produce more food on the same amount of land. Another benefit is reduced use of chemical pesticides. With pest-resistant crops, farmers don't need to spray as much, which is better for the environment and for human health. GM crops can also be designed to tolerate extreme weather conditions, helping to ensure food security in the face of climate change. But it's not all positive. There are several concerns and controversies surrounding GM crops. One major issue is the potential impact on biodiversity. Critics argue that GM crops can crossbreed with wild relatives, leading to unintended ecological consequences. Another concern is the dominance of large biotech companies in the agriculture sector. These companies often patent their GM seeds, which can make it difficult for small farmers to compete. There are also health concerns, although scientific consensus generally finds GM foods to be safe. However, the long-term effects are still a topic of ongoing research and debate. In terms of regulation, different countries have different policies regarding GM crops. Some nations embrace them, while others have strict regulations or outright bans. Looking ahead, the future of GM crops is likely to involve even more advanced techniques, such as CRISPR, which allows for even more precise genetic modifications. Genetically modified crops are a powerful tool with the potential to address some of the biggest challenges in agriculture and food security. But like any technology, they come with their own set of risks and ethical questions. What are your thoughts on GM crops? Are you for or against them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the science and technology shaping our world.